Well, very good morning, friends. Today we'll talk about our country, India. Now, India is going to face elections in April. That is another, roughly, you can say 60 days to go. As we can see, there is a lot of chaos within the political parties, chaos between various TV channels. One is looking at one aspect of the political party, other TV channel is appreciating that. There is chaos everywhere, what I mean to say. And there is a talk going within the member of the public that TV channel is supporting that political party, and this TV channel or this newspaper is supporting that political party, to an extent that today, that is Thursday, 23rd of January, that Times of India Delhi edition had to come out with their own Times of India editorial readers, their declaration, sort of their opinion, telling that they have heard about, so there is a rumor in the public. That this newspaper or that TV channel is supporting so and so party. So they come out with the fact that Times of India is not supporting any political party, and they have written their own viewpoint. It's almost a 6-8 inch column. Now let us have an introspection with respect to that. Recently we were hearing that Congress party is going to spend 500 crores in building its image and hiring some Japanese company, spending rupees 500 crore to build image. But then that matter hushed off. And the point is, we all know that right now in India, Congress and BJP are the two big national parties, and they both have the largest fund. Just a matter of Congress may be more, 20% or 30% more than BJP. But no doubt they both have good chunk of funds. Now, during state elections in 2013, Congress was in favor of closing the exit poll after elections. They didn't want exit polls or opinion polls. So that means media carry a lot of influence on the society. Now look at Doordarshan. Just randomly surf the TV channels. Just randomly, no biasing. And if you happen to cross Doordarshan, pause every channel for 10 seconds only, and if you happen to cross Doordarshan, you will find that out of 100 times, 90 times you will find Doordarshan telling good things about the government. They never say anything about the opposition parties, any opposition party. They talk about only government, or they will talk in something in general. Now the point is it not possible? Let's make a wild guess that some TV channels may be supporting some political party. Is it possible? Maybe. When any political party can spend 500 crores on image building, they can even ask for favors from the private TV channels by now see the propaganda being done by the UPA, the government. Now they are disclosing what they have done in 10 years. Now this ad is coming again. You surf the TV channels and you'll find it almost all TV channels. Now, if I am the owner of some business and if somebody comes as a customer, if that customer is giving me a good sort of, he is doing bulk purchase, won't I favor that customer or give something complimentary? So whatever we are hearing that this TV channel is supporting that party, or whatever this TV channel that party, so are they not doing complimentary favors? Maybe, can't say. Maybe, no doubt. But this cannot be successful in the long run because nowadays a lot of social media channels are there: Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. So even if private TV channels support some or the other political party, it's not possible in the long run. Now let us come to the debates that is being done on TV channels. TV channels, be it English or Hindi. Now those who are watching news regularly at prime time, say between 8 and 10, and we see debates going on, whether it be at Hindi channels or English channels. One observation everybody must have made, and that is, most of the time, I think you can count 25 figures on your tips that are coming regularly on TV channels in various debates. Now the point is, India comprises of 120 crore people, and just 25 people who are coming at various news channels regularly. Can they depict or can they talk about whole of India? अगर हम हिंदी में बोलें साफ साफ कि ये जो 25-30 लोग आते हैं, कुछ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ के भी हैं, कुछ एडवोकेट्स भी हैं, लॉयर बैकग्राउंड से हैं, कुछ सेलिब्रिटीज़ हैं, तो क्या ये 25-30 लोगों ने देश का ठेका ले लिया है कि दे आर द मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट पीपल, they are the most intellectual, full of wisdom, most educated? I think if you call people from Indian Space Research Organization, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, in Delhi we have Pusa Research Institute of Agriculture, Then we have got various universities in Delhi itself. If TV channel people are running short of people who can come at a short notice, then in Delhi itself we have University of Delhi, Jamia Millia Islamia. 5-6 universities are in Delhi itself. Various professors of specific field can come to the debate. There are various bureaucrats in Delhi itself who are in retirement stage, who have retired. Many can come to participate in the debate. Why only 25-30 people are repeating on various TV channels? You find you get bored every time they talk, because after all they have got a certain ideology, and within that frame of mind they keep on talking on various topics. Same ideology people, same people on the debate. Even if you see Arnab, most of the time his issue now henceforward you see up till February, and you will find at least 15 phase getting repeated with Arnab till February 28. Not once, twice, maybe 3-4 times. So these people are the masters of India. They have got hold on every subject. They can talk on any topic, any length, with mastery on that. Is it possible? Or are they easily available? Or are they getting paid for that? I don't know. Credibility of private TV channels has to be there. No, okay. No, since this is important because elections 2014 are approaching, and people will have to find their own sources of reliable information. I don't think they can fully rely on private TV channels also for the kind of information they need. They should hear it, but they should have their own sixth sense also, and they must verify it also. Must verify it, just not believe blindly. Okay, and there is no end to that, but one must have many sources of reliable information, not 1 or 2 TV channels only. Various print medias, various intellectual in the society, they can talk to them. Just don't rely on the 25-30 people who are repeatedly coming on TV debates. Talk to, if you are in any city of India, अगर आप भारत के किसी भी भाग में हैं, आपके सिटी में, आपके स्टेट में बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ होंगी, उनके प्रोफेसर से बात कर लीजिए, अच्छे अच्छे डॉक्टरों से बात कर लीजिए, अच्छे अच्छे बुद्धिजीवियों से बात कर लीजिए, पढ़े लिखे लोगों पर विश्वास कीजिए. वही देश को आगे लेके जाएंगे. कुछ टीवी चैनल और कुछ सेलिब्रिटीज़ ही देश का लीडर नहीं बन सकते. भारत के सभी नागरिक खुद अपने आप में लीडर हैं. आपस में बात कीजिए, पढ़े लिखे लोगों से बात कीजिए. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.